Hey there, Scott here. The video that I'm about to share with you has to do with the grass catchers on the back of my Craftsman lawnmowers. I have two Craftsman lawn tractors, and they both have grass catchers. One of them has a 3-bin catcher, the other has a 2-bin catcher, and the bins themselves are the same. They're interchangeable between the two tractors. It's an older style. It doesn't have a turbo or anything like maybe some of the more modern tractors nowadays. But sometimes these bins do come apart. They're like a two-part bin, and I did not get either one of these new, so they were assembled when I got them. And but I do want to show you how they go together if they do come apart. If you do buy them new, I don't even know if they're new anymore, if you can buy them new. But let me show you how they go together, and hopefully this will help you out. All right, thanks. So this bin catching system, grass catching system for the Craftsman line of lawn tractors from bygone years, I like it. I know some people don't, but I tell you what, these bins, when you get them, when they're new, they come in two pieces like this. They have to be assembled. And this one here is kind of coming apart. That one there is coming apart a little bit. This one here is completely assembled the proper way. And I'll show you how to reseat these and get these back if you've never had to put these together. So they're making this video because it was requested by one of my subscribers. So let me show you what's going on here. All right, first let me show you the upper ring here, as I call it. If you take a look at the inside, there's a lip right here, and it goes all the way around, and then every once in a while there's a notch. Okay, so you want to make sure that that inside lip is kind of cleaned out. It's got a flathead screwdriver here. And then if you look at the bottom bin has the lip, another lip, but it's upside down, and then it's got these tabs. Well, the idea is that when you put this up, the lip here locks into the lip that's on here, and then these tabs here get locked up underneath. So there's a little bit of work involved to do that. Let me see if I can. It's not always easy. But I find it helps to pry the tab back here. And you really just have to kind of work. Yeah, exactly. But that's what's going to happen. You have to make sure that these ridges lock in together, and then when you're done, that tab is underneath. Like this. So see on the outside, the tab is underneath, and these two lips are all locked in together. That's what you got to do. Okay, make sure it's seated up all the way around, and make sure each one of these tabs is under the plastic here. I think that one's good. There you go. This one's already done. This one has grass clippings in it, but nope. This one's got to be cleaned out here. Over the years, stuff just built up. Come on now. There we go. There we go. All right. And there we are. We got 3 bins all completely assembled and ready for use again.